Hi guys, my name is Andrew Sweet and I'm your Orlando real estate advisor, and today I'm going to be taking you through the Bellmore model. The Bellmore is a beautiful new construction home being built in Waterleigh, which is a beautiful Winter Garden, Florida community. Winter Garden, Florida is very desirable, and this is a resort style community. I'm so excited to show you guys this DR Horton new construction home. If you have any questions, comment them down below. But guys, make sure to like, subscribe, press that notification bell. Reach out to me if you're interested in this model or any of the models that they may have at this beautiful resort style community. Or if you're looking for something completely different, that's okay too. Make sure to give me a call, shoot me a text, or email me at liveinorlandofl@gmail.com. Guys, I will see you inside of the Bellmore model, and then I'll see you at the very end of the video for some good news. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the Bellmore model being built by DR Horton in the beautiful Winter Garden community of Waterleigh. This property comes in at 2,113 square feet. You're looking at 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage. It's a single story. And the base price for this model, as of right now, is $694,886. Keep in mind, this is a resort-style community in a very desirable suburb, which is why you're going to see the prices you see. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about the Bellmore model. All right, guys, so what did you think about the Bellmore model being built in Winter Garden, Florida by DR Horton? Remember, this is a new construction community, and it's a resort-style community, so you have multiple pools, there's playgrounds. This community is amazing with resort-style amenities. That does mean that the HOA is higher than normal. It is much higher of an HOA than most places, but you also, just the amenities you are given in this community are great. If you're interested in this community and you want some more details about the community specifically, just reach out to me. And if you're interested in something else, just let me know. But for now, let's talk about the Bellmore model. Just to recap, the Bellmore model is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage home, and it comes in at 2,113 square feet. The absolute base price that you're going to find for the Bellmore model comes in at $665,476. That could change at any time, so keep in mind, depending on when you're watching this, that price may be different. But guys, if you're interested in the Bellmore model, or if you're just interested in living in a resort-style community in Winter Garden, Florida, one of the most sought-after suburbs in all of Central Florida, just make sure to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email at liveinorlandofl@gmail.com. Even if you're looking for something completely different, I'll help you find exactly what you're looking for. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, press that notification bell, and just stay for a couple more minutes. I just have some good news that I want to share with you. If this is your first time to my channel, then what you're going to find is that at the end of every single one of my videos, I like to just talk about Jesus or read a little bit of scripture. Jesus is the most important, my relationship with Jesus is the most important thing in my life by far. Nothing comes anywhere close to him. He is my life. He's the point of my life. He is the pursuit of my life. And I just want to read a little bit of Psalm 24 to you right now. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof, the world and those who dwell therein. For he has founded it upon the seas and established it upon the rivers. Who shall ascend the hill of the Lord? And who shall stand in his holy place? He who has clean hands and a pure heart, who does not lift up his soul to what is false, and does not swear deceitfully. He will receive blessings from the Lord, and righteousness from the God of his salvation. Such is the generation of those who seek him, who seek the face of God, of the God of Jacob. Lift up your heads, O gates, and be lifted, O ancient doors, that the King of glory may come in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord, strong and mighty, the Lord, mighty in battle. Lift up your heads, O gates, and lift them up, O ancient doors, that the King of glory may come in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord of hosts. He is the King of glory. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.